Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Saturday, June 24th, 2023. It is 12:51 and 15 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, ovarian cancer. So let's hop to it here. Researchers reveal mechanism of protection against breast and ovarian cancer. Date June 21st, 2023. Source: The Francis Crick Institute. Researchers have outlined the structure and function of a protein complex which is required to repair damaged DNA and protect against cancer. Every time a cell replicates, mistakes can happen in the form of mutations, but specialized proteins exist to repair the damaged DNA. As people with mutations in the DNA repair protein, called BRCA2, are predisposed to breast, ovarian, and prostate cancers, which often develop at a young age in the clinic. These cancers are treated with a drug that inhibits PARP, another protein needed for DNA repair. Recent work shows that defects in several other proteins can cause inheritable breast and ovarian cancers, or Fanconi anemia, a blood disorder that can lead to different cancers, including leukemia. The researchers used cryo-electron microscopy to reveal the atomic structure of four of those proteins, which combine together to form a complex called BCDX2, and this allowed them to map mutations associated with cancer on the 3D structure, revealing the important regions of the complex and why certain mutations prevent DNA repair, leading to instability in a person's genes and cancer. In addition, the researchers discovered BCDX2's role in the cell, finding that it acts as a molecular chaperone. It helps target another protein called RAD51, causing it to recognize and assemble in regions where DNA repair needs to take place. Together, BRCA2, BCDX2, and RAD51 are the main players in the process that repairs damaged DNA, called homologous recombination. The research shows that BCDX2 is just as important for repairing DNA as BRCA2, suggesting mutations should also be routinely screened for. As for the first time, we've been able to show the direct links between structure, function, and why mutations in any of the components of BCDX2 leads to cancer. We now understand its crucial role in DNA repair, which explains why mutations can lead to cancer. As DeepMind AlphaFold 2, a computer program which can predict a protein's 3D structure, cryo-EM, and high-resolution imaging techniques allowed them to gather the full picture of structure and function for the key protein complex. The researchers say it was a very collaborative project, spanning multiple laboratories and technical teams across the Crick. The research team could help inform the best line of treatment for people living with cancer. The BRCA2 is well characterized and known to increase the risk of cancer, especially breast and ovarian cancers. It is mutated in 15 to 20% of inheritable cancer cases, so is regularly screened for. The research has shown that BCDX2 is also crucial for DNA repair and acts in the same pathway as BRCA2 for people with cancers caused by defects in BCDX2. PARP inhibitors are also likely to be effective. The findings suggest that people with a family history of these cancers should be screened for mutations in the proteins making up BCDX2 to get a full picture of their risk. The researchers are now hoping to shed light on another protein complex, CX3, which is also involved in cancer. Putting all these insights together will help a better understanding of genes which put people at greater risk of cancer and help with targeted treatment. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.